lawn. Once again, you know what it is. Hey, check this out. Look at this badass synthetic turf we did over here, and we did a paver over here. Look at her badass waterfall right there. And then we got her badass patio over here. These badass stones. 24 by 24. Look at this badass synthetic turf. Look at her stepping stones. Beautiful turf right here. Synthetic turf. You want real grass, we can do real grass. You want fake grass, we can do fake grass.
Hi, welcome to my backyard oasis. That is what Romero and his team made for my husband and I. So we couldn't be more thrilled with the service, the quality of the work. Romero and his team took a vision that I had in my head and completely created it for us. Actually exceeded our expectations. They work fast and efficient, like a well-oiled machine. So I couldn't be happier. So highly recommend it.
There you go, my friends. Real reviews, real customer, real jobs right here. And as you heard my friend Tracy right here, give me a call. I know this stuff's going on right now with the coronavirus, but after 2 weeks, give me a call. We come out there, make it happen, make your dreams come true. Look at this one. Woo! Make your dreams come true like Napoleon Dynamite. Synthetic turf. You want real grass, we can do real grass. You want fake grass, we can do fake grass, Hey, this was her design. She had it in her head, we just brought it to life. You know what I'm saying? If you want something like this, let me know. Blue Coast Lawn, check me out.
And I'm absolutely in love with the design that Romero and his team did. It really looks beautiful.
Well, there you go, my friends. Trace over here in Dick Harbor likes it. You want something like this, let me know. So next time, stay safe, stay no drugs, and wash your hands, everybody. Blue Coast.